Virtually all fires begin at a single point of ignition, small, almost harmless at first. But undetected and uncontrolled, fires can quickly build, spread, and damage or destroy everything in their path. Microenvironments are often small, inaccessible, or difficult to effectively enclose. In rooms equipped with fire suppression systems, heat and smoke sensors may be located far away from these potential points of ignition. Sometimes the fire must grow into a truly destructive force before being detected. For these microenvironments, detecting and suppressing fires used to be impossible. The need for control panels, expensive smoke detectors, large cylinders and valves, along with electrical connections simply made the job physically impossible to fit. Now, fire detection and suppression comes in a tube. This deceptively simple device incorporates fire detection and suppression into a single tube. No electrical wires, no control panels, no large piping. It's also easy to install, highly affordable, and extremely accurate and efficient. Here's how it works. This tubing is made of a space-age polymer designed to burst at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, configured as a flexible linear pneumatic heat sensor, which can also carry and dispense the fire extinguishing agent. When heat of 212 degrees or greater is detected, the tubing softens, then bursts, instantly forming a dispensing nozzle, and releases the agent in the cylinder to extinguish the fire at the point of ignition in seconds.
abandoned computer